Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make strawberry eclairs. First, let's create the chew pastry. Combine 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan over medium heat. Once boiling, remove from heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a dough ball forms. Transfer to a mixer and add 4 large eggs, one at a time, until the batter is smooth and glossy. Next, pipe your chew pastry onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, forming logs about 3½ inches long. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 25 minutes until golden and puffed. While they cool, prepare the pastry cream by whisking together egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch. Then temper with hot milk and cook until thick. Now it's time to assemble these delightful treats. Once your chew pastry shells are completely cooled, carefully slice them horizontally or make small holes at each end for piping. Fill each eclair generously with the smooth, rich pastry cream you prepared. Then, artfully arrange fresh, thinly sliced strawberries over the cream, ensuring each bite will have that perfect fruity burst. For the final touch, let's make a simple strawberry glaze. Whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of strawberry puree until smooth. Drizzle or gently spread this vibrant glaze over the top of your assembled eclairs. For optimal flavor and texture, chill your strawberry eclairs in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.